Hey, what's going on everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a recipe for Vietnamese caramelized pork belly, or Thit Tiêu. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 1 pound of pork belly, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 whole shallot to be minced, 8 cloves of minced garlic, 1 Thai chili pepper cut into small pieces, 2 strands of chopped green onions, a dash of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and optionally annatto oil. It is food dye and it does not add any flavor. You can buy this pre-made at a store or make it at home. Watch this video on how to make it if you want to use it. Once you have all the ingredients ready, the first step is to prepare the pork belly. Start by boiling a pot of water so you can cook the pork. It makes it easier to cut them into smaller pieces later. You want to leave it in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it does not have to be fully cooked yet. After this time is up, take it out and it should look like this for now. Next, place the pork on a cutting board. The pork strip that I got was large, so I'm cutting it in half so it'll be easier to cut into the desired size. It's best to cut them into about 1 centimeter in length. The next step is to marinate the pork belly. In any pot, add in all of the sliced pork belly. Then add in the 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, the minced shallot, the minced garlic, the chopped chili pepper, the 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, the 2 tablespoons of sugar, the 1 tablespoon of annatto oil, again this is optional. Then mix it all around until the pork is fully marinated. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes for all the flavors to soak in. The final step is to simmer the pork belly. Turn the temperature to a medium heat. Once it starts to come to a boil, mix it all around, then add in half a cup of water. Continue to mix it for a few seconds and then turn the heat to low and let it simmer for an additional 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, you should get a nice caramelized glazed pork belly. Sprinkle some black pepper on top with some green onions and a few more chili peppers for additional spice. Serve it with a bowl of white rice, and that's how you make Thit Tiêu, a traditional Vietnamese style pork belly. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to get cooking.